Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to add line breaks using HTML. In HTML, we have the tags known as BR tag, or we can also use BR/tag. Any of this is fine. Either you can use normal BR tag or BR/tag in order to add the line breaks in HTML. Fine. But unlike normal tags, this BR or BR forward slash are self-closing tags. Self-closing tags. What do I mean? Wherever this tag started, there only they will end. They will not have separate closing tags. For example, here BR tag is starting here, but it will not be having any closing BR tag. So when I take some examples of the tags which I covered in HTML as part of the previous sessions, for example, p tag, which I covered in the last session, the p tag is a starting tag and it should be ended with /p tag. Similarly, we have other tags like h1 tag, heading tags. h1, if it started here, it should be ended with /h1. These tags are not self-closing tags because they are starting somewhere and they are ending somewhere. But coming to the line break related tags, that is BR or BR/, they are self-closing tags. That means wherever they start, they will end there only. They don't have separate closing tags. Now let me practically demonstrate these tags for you. For that, I'll go to this editor where we have written some sample HTML code, and inside this body tags, I'm going to write some text before demonstrating the self-closing BR tags for adding the line breaks. Let me first write some text without using any line breaks. Okay. This is line number 1. Now in the next line, I'm writing this is line number 2. Now in the next line, I'll be writing this is line number 3. This is line number 4. This is line number 5. Total how many lines I have written here? 5 lines. Now save this and open this HTML file in the browser. So here is a saved HTML file. Let me open this in any of the browsers. Let's say Chrome browser, I'll open. So what is happening is here I have written these 5 lines in separate lines. The first line is in a separate line, second line is in a separate line, third line is in a separate line, fourth one and fifth one are also in the separate lines. But when I open this HTML file in the browser is displaying all this line in a single line. You see, line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are coming in a single line. Why? Because HTML by default will ignore the new lines. Okay, though the text is written in the HTML code in new lines, but on the page, they are all coming in a single line. That means HTML is simply ignoring the new lines here. But how to add the line breaks so that this particular text will be, the separate lines will be displayed in the new lines. For that, at the end of this line, I am going to add BR. Okay, now save this and go and refresh this. You see, this first line is coming in a separate line. Wherever I have written the BR, we went to the new line automatically. You see, the next text has been moved into the new line because of the BR tag. Now, I want to move this particular text, highlighted text into the new line. How to do that? Again, I need to add BR here and save this and refresh this. You see, now this text has been moved into the new line. Now, these 2 lines I want to move into the new line. How to do that? This remaining 2 lines I need to move into the new line. For that, before these 2 lines, I need to add BR. BR means break. What is the full form of BR? BR stands for break. The meaning of BR in the BR tag is break. Okay? Using this break, we are breaking the lines. We are moving to the new lines. Wherever the BR is coming, HTML will take you to the new line in the page. Now, if I add BR here, save this and refresh. Now, these 2 lines have been moved into the new line. Now, this line I want to move into the new line. Before this line, I am going to add BR. So, this particular line also I want to move into the new line. So, before this line, I need to specify what? BR. Now, save this. Now, refresh. Now, we got the proper output. All the lines are getting displayed in the separate new lines. So either you can write BR or you can also mention BR/. Okay, BR/. Anything is fine. Both are same, guys. Okay, BR is same, BR// is same. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can write. So you see, you are getting the same output. So hope guys, you understood how to use this BR tags, which stands for break tags in HTML in order to add the line breaks wherever necessary on the page. So these are self-closing tags, which will not be having any closing tags, unlike p tag and h1 tag or other tags will generally have the closing tags like this. But here BR or BR forward slash are the self-closing tags, which will not have any self-closing tags. Wherever they start, they will close there only. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.